Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title of my video, I'm going to be doing, well, kind of showing you guys my April Boxy charm. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply them so you guys can see them and see what I think about them as I apply it. I've already got foundation on. I put on a little bit too much bronzer. I don't want to fill in my eyebrows because I kind of want to go with like a natural look. This is called the Brow Gal Tony Crooks, and it is called the Instant Tinted Brow Gel with Microfibers, brown hair number 2. I'm so happy I got this because I've been complaining about my NYX wax stick. It gave me another pimple, by the way, but I just, you know, I'm excited. So let's go ahead. Okay. It is making, oh, okay, it's making my eyebrows darker. Nice. I'm really excited about this one because this is a product that I actually use every single day. No matter what. No matter whether I'm using makeup or not wearing makeup. And I like how the tint isn't too much either. I've noticed that the wand doesn't pick up a whole lot of product, which is good because you don't want a big mess on your eyebrows of the clumpy gel just to stay in one spot. So I mean, some may like it, others might not. I do like it because it gives me more control of the product, even though I have to re-dip a little bit, but that's okay. I'm gonna get closer to the camera because I can't tell if I'm in focus or not. So anyways, I just really like that it's a full sized product, unlike Ipsy, no shade thrown, but for reals, like, that's props. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the Semi-Precious Shadow Palette by ColourPop. Oh my gosh, you guys, I opened this and I was like, wow. Like, it gave me real Tinkerbell vibes. Look at that, that's so cute. It's like embossed, I think that's the right word. And it's, you know, like you can feel the texture of the foil. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Like, you know, granted they're all foiled eyeshadows, or, you know, satin eyeshadows, but it's okay because how many neutrals do we have in our collections? Like, how? I'm gonna be grabbing the Tartelette palette and the color Force of Nature, and I'm gonna put that in the crease. And my eyelid is already primed with concealer. So I'm gonna do this really quickly because I really want to try that eyeshadow, those eyeshadows on. Okay, next I'm gonna use Dreamer from the Tartelette palette, and that's gonna go in the crease for definition. Now, I really don't want to darken the crease a whole lot, so I'm just going to leave it at that, and I'm going to go in with the shimmers. I'm going to pick up this greeny color that gives me the Tinkerbell vibes. Tinkerbell used to be my favorite character when I was little. I would draw her. I was an expert at drawing her. Taking the greeny color, which I'm going to call Tink. Doesn't have a name, so I can... Wait, does it have a name? It does have a name. I can't name it, darn it. It is called Upon a Star. Ooh, I like. Wow, that is so nice. I bet you it applies so much nicer with the fingers too. It's like a silver green and it's so, I like it. I'm gonna do the next eye with my finger. Oh my gosh. Yes, honey. Watch. Yeah, you can definitely tell the difference. So I'm gonna do the edges with the brush here because I can't get in there precisely with my fingers. I'm gonna blend that edges of that with a pencil brush here. Next, I'm gonna grab the color Up and Atom. Oh wow, this is so nice. Okay, so this is amazing, you guys. Very, very complimentary to the eye, and it's so pigmented. Now, I wonder how long they'll wear. So right now, my bladder is about to burst. My feet are asleep, and my dogs are about to knock my door down because they want to come in. But I'm in the middle of something. I'm going to outline my waterline with a MAC kohl liner in graphic black. Just lightly. I'm gonna blend out Up and Atom with Dreamer on the lower lash line, just to kind of tie the whole look together. And Dreamer is from the Tartelette palette, guys. It's not from the Semi Precious palette. So I got the mascara on. I'm gonna use Up and Atom also for the inner corner highlight, okay? So pop that on right there. Whoa. It works. We're gonna use this Tarteist Pro Glow that we got in the Boxy Charms, and it is a cream highlight. Okay, so it comes in a tube like this, and it is in the shade Exposed. I actually really like cream highlight when I'm not wearing makeup. Wow, I think I put too much on, you guys. Oh, shoot. Okay, let's blend. Uh-oh, got it way too near to my eye. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, it doesn't look chunky, you know, despite, you know, besides the fact that I have some powder there. I didn't set my foundation, but I do have, you know, some powder from the blush and bronzer. I'm so excited about these products because I could definitely, like, for example, this highlighter I can use when I, you know, on my everyday, on a daily basis when I'm not wearing makeup to work. I can use the brow gel when I'm not wearing makeup to work. And let's find out about the lipstick. So this is the High Definition Liquid Lipstick by the brand Ades. Oh, okay. It's like a pinky brownie color. Let's put that on the lips and see how we like it. Okay. I love the applicator. It's so bendy. So I don't know why I'm under the impression that this is a matte lipstick, but it's not. It's just a liquid lipstick, so it's not gonna dry down a whole lot. It smells good too. It has like a candy smell. So that was the fourth product that I tried out from April's Boxy Charm. What is this? I don't even know what it's, okay. It's a pore purifying mask purifying. So I don't even know if I need to let it dry. So this is after cleansing, apply a thin layer to areas of concern. Avoid eyes, leave on to 5 to 10 minutes until dry. So while it is drying, I'll let you guys know what I feel or think about it. It says a cooling sensation will occur. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times per week for maximum results. So we are gonna try this out next. Okay, so we have cleared the face, the surface. So I'm gonna grab, now take off the little sticky thing. And I usually apply my masks with my fingers because I feel like the brushes steal from me. So, this smells minty. Smells relaxing. Is that even a thing? Hey, even my dog wants to eat it. Okay. So, ooh, wow, it feels like a scrub. Are you sure this is supposed to be? Oh, I guess like they add the little beads in there, so when you wash it off, it kind of scrubs your like the dry skin off too. That's pretty neat. Cool deal. Okay. Okay. Excuse my dog and her squeaky toy. She's obsessed. Don't look at me, you are obsessed. She like stopped and just stared at me when I said that. And it's like weirdly drying. Like, you see the white residue? I guess that's how you know when it's dry. So, just gonna wait for that to dry. It feels nice on, like, I can feel it drying up. And I really like that it has like the little beads. That's pretty cool. So, I do not want to talk a lot because my face is really stiff. But this is what it looks like when it dries down. It reminds me of Frosty. It looks frosty, it feels frosty. I like it. So I'm gonna go wash it off now. Okay guys, so got it washed off. Definitely enjoyed that. That was like a quick 5-10 minute relaxation going on in the face. I love that it doesn't take that long. Usually masks take about 30 minutes to dry completely, but I love how this is just, you know, quick. So overall, I really love everything that came in this month's box. Like, I'm definitely gonna use all of it. Like it got 10 out of 10 for me, and I'm really excited to see next month's box. If you guys enjoyed watching this video and enjoyed watching me try what I get in my Boxy charm on, please like the video, comment down below what you would like to see next and what you liked about this video. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now with the little red button down below. And if you already subscribed and you would like to get notifications for when I upload my videos, press the notification bell down below as well. So I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys, and I'm sorry my days have been off uploading. I'm trying to work on it, but I will get you 2 videos a week. I don't know which days, but they will be there. So love you guys. See you next time. Bye.